Sip. To drink a small amount of liquid. I sip my tea slowly. She took a sip of water. Borrow. To take something for a short time and return it later. She borrowed a book from the library. He borrowed money from his brother. Funeral. A ceremony for someone who has died. A funeral is a sad event. He went to his uncle's funeral yesterday. Whisper. To speak very softly so that only a few people can hear. She whispered something in my ear. Please whisper in the library. Bloom. When a flower opens up. The roses bloom in spring. The flowers bloom in warm weather. Punctual. Being on time. She is always punctual for school. A punctual person is never late. Suggest. To give an idea or advice about something. She suggested a new restaurant. Can you suggest a good book? Deliver. To bring or send something to someone. They will deliver the food in 30 minutes. The postman delivers letters every morning. Warn. To tell someone about a problem before it happens. She warned me about the heavy rain. The sign warns us to drive slowly. Compete. To try to win against others. They competed in a race. She loves to compete in sports. Crowd. A large group of people gathered in one place. There is a big crowd at the mall. She lost her friend in the crowd.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!